Is heavy implantation bleeding a cause of concern?
Hello and welcome, everyone. Today we're going to discuss a topic that could be of great concern for some of you: heavy implantation bleeding. Is it a cause for worry or just a normal part of pregnancy? Let's dive in and find out.
What is implantation bleeding?
Implantation bleeding is a form of bleeding that occurs in early pregnancy, typically around the time when a fertilized egg implants itself into the lining of the uterus. It's usually a small amount of spotting or bleeding that lasts for a couple of days. For many, it can be so light that it often goes unnoticed.
How does heavy implantation bleeding occur?
Sometimes, implantation bleeding can appear heavier than usual. The reasons for this can vary and might include hormonal fluctuations or differences in how the fertilized egg implants into the uterine lining. However, it's important to note that true implantation bleeding is usually light.
Should you be concerned about heavy implantation bleeding?
If you notice heavy bleeding, it's crucial to get medical advice. While it might simply be heavier implantation bleeding, it could also be an early sign of something more serious, like an ectopic pregnancy or a miscarriage. Other causes of heavy bleeding could also be unrelated to pregnancy, such as a hormonal imbalance, fibroids, or a polyp.
What should you do if you notice heavy bleeding?
If you're pregnant and experience heavy bleeding, it's important not to panic, but seek immediate medical attention. Your healthcare provider can help determine the cause of the bleeding and guide you through the appropriate next steps to ensure your health, and if applicable, the health of your baby. In conclusion, while implantation bleeding is a normal part of early pregnancy, heavy implantation bleeding is not as common and may indicate a need for medical attention. Always listen to your body, and don't hesitate to seek help when something feels off. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding more about heavy implantation bleeding. Stay safe and take care.